Hello and welcome back to App Viewer. If you signed up to the Amazon Associates program and your Amazon OneLink is not redirecting visitors to their local or nearest Amazon storefront, you are in the right place. In today's video, we're going to present a free solution to the Amazon OneLink redirecting issue. Without further ado, let's get started. Amazon OneLink is a script-based solution for Amazon's text links that will land visitors from various countries to their local or nearest Amazon marketplace. It's a powerful tool. However, it may not always work as expected, with the risk of missing out on potential affiliate commissions. Let's find out the reasons why this might happen. 1. You set up your Amazon OneLink incorrectly. You may have missed one important step. To resolve this, go back to your associate account, carefully read the Amazon's instructions on how to set up OneLink, identify the incorrect setup, and update accordingly. 2. You are using text with image links. Amazon OneLink doesn't work with these links anymore, according to Amazon Associates support. The only links working are text links, so make sure to update your sites with these URLs. 3. You are using non-US text links. Only US text links work, since OneLink can currently only be set up from your US associate account. Therefore, make sure to generate affiliate links from Amazon.com. 4. You just joined the Amazon Associates program and set up OneLink. Sometimes, Amazon may take up to 48 or 72 hours to review your applications and link all your affiliate IDs. Therefore, wait a few days and then go back and test your links again. There might be other unknown reasons why your Amazon OneLink is not working. If the problem still persists after trying our solutions, then stick around until the end of this video. We're about to go through a free workaround on how to make this working and avoid missing out on potential revenues. Okay. Let's get into it. Currently, in order to get an Amazon affiliate link, you need to go to Amazon.com, search for a product, and extract the text-only link from the toolbar. Let's forget about these steps for now and build a link ourselves, using 3 components. The Associate Redirect, one of the Amazon's subdomains that includes the tool used to redirect visitors to the relevant marketplace. The Amazon link, the original link to the product listed on the Amazon US website. And finally, the Associate ID, which is simply your Amazon US store ID. Now that we know the 3 components required to build a link, is there an easy method to quickly set this up? Yes, there is actually a very easy way. To simplify the process, we created an Amazon OneLink cheat sheet. You can find a link to our cheat sheet in the description box below. However, before you grab the file, we recommend watching the entire video and learning the process. You'll be able to create new affiliate links in just a few seconds by simply following 5 simple steps included in the cheat sheet. Once the links have been created, you'll just need to add these to your sites, sit back and relax. Simple as that. Okay, this was the theory. Now let's put it into practice. Let's go through our Amazon OneLink cheat sheet and create a new affiliate link together. First, you need to add your Amazon US store ID. Then, go to Amazon.com, choose a product you'd like to promote. And copy the link. Add the link here in the cheat sheet. As you can see, the full link has now been generated using the structure discussed earlier in the video. If you normally use full links, go ahead, copy this new link, and add it to your sites. If you prefer using short links, then follow the next steps. Copy the full link and go to bit.ly. Paste the link in the white box and click on Shorten. Now, copy the short link and test it out. Open a new tab in your internet browser and paste the short link. As you can see in our test, we're now redirected to the UK Amazon website, which is the location where this video has been recorded. You can now go back and simply replace the product link with others of your choice and replicate the same process. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy watching our quick video tutorials, reviews and tips, show your support by subscribing to our channel. We would love to have you as part of our community. Now, it's time for you to grab our Amazon OneLink cheat sheet. You can find the link to the Excel file in the description box below. Okay. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.